channel Easy Geography. This video includes a collection of 10 questions from the topic People and Environment. It's the first part of the mock test. We can go to the question. First one. Which of the following conference or summit is also known as UN Conference on Sustainable Development? The conference that is known as Sustainable Development, UN Conference on Sustainable Development is options: Stockholm Conference 1972, Rio de Janeiro Conference on 1992, Johannesburg Summit 2002, Rio +20 Conference 2012. UN Conference on Sustainable Development. Yes, answer D, Rio +20 Conference. Second one, given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other as reason. The statements are assertion statement. One of the movements of the surface water of ocean is known as ocean current. Reason, ocean currents are caused mainly due to planetary winds and the difference in temperature and the density of water. In the context of the above statements, which of the following is correct? Options, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are correct but R is not explaining A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Here the assertion statement, one of the movement of ocean surface of ocean, it is known as ocean current. It's a correct statement. The reason, ocean currents are caused mainly due to planetary winds and the difference in temperature and density of water. The difference in temperature and density of water and the planetary winds affect the occurrence of ocean currents. Thus, the two statements are correct, but there is no relation between the two statements. Thus, the answer is option B. Both A and R are correct, but R is not explaining A. Third question, which of the following type of energy source employ direct energy conversion process to produce electricity? There is no intermediate process in between the energy conversion. The options: biomass, wind, geothermal, nuclear. Direct energy conversion process to produce electricity. Yes, the answer is option D, nuclear energy. Next one, which of the following are the priority areas in relation to the Sustainable Development Goals? There are 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Among the following, which is not coming under the goals? Options: no poverty, zero hunger, reducing urbanization, peace, justice and strong institutions. Answer option C, reducing urbanization. Other 17 goals will be shown in the description. Next one, what is the wavelength of ultraviolet radiation? The nature of ultraviolet radiation. Wavelength of ultraviolet radiation is shorter, longer, zero, finite. The ultraviolet radiation is shorter in wavelength. The solar radiation is also shorter in wavelength and the terrestrial radiation is longer. Next one, India's oil bearing areas are mostly associated with. India's oil reserve related to which type of rock? Plutonic rock, volcanic rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Answer, it is always related to sedimentary rocks. Plutonic rocks means it is found under the deep inside the earth. Next one, inside rural homes, the source or sources of nitrogen oxide pollution may be. In rural areas, the sources of nitrogen oxides are options: gas stove, wood stove, kerosene heaters. Option D is correct. All these are the sources of nitrogen oxide pollution in the rural homes. Gas stoves, wood stoves and kerosene heaters. Next one, which of the following phenomena is not a natural hazard? Among the following, it is not a natural hazard. A natural phenomena: wildfire, lightning, landslide, chemical contamination. Answer, chemical contamination is not coming under the natural hazards. Next one, which of the United Nations department is responsible for providing support and capacity building of Sustainable Development Goals? Which United Nations department? Options: political and peace building affairs, economic and social affairs, global communication, all the above. The sustainable development is related to the social affairs and economic affairs. Sustainable development is use of resources. Thus, it coming under the economic affairs. So, option B is the correct answer, economic and social affairs. Last question. As part of the National Climate Change Policy, Indian government is planning to raise the installed capacity of renewable energy by the year 2030. Raising the installed capacity of renewable energy by 2030 is options 175 gigawatt, 200 gigawatt, 250 gigawatt and 350 gigawatt. Answer is option D, 350 gigawatt. By the year 2030, the installed capacity of renewable energy should increase up to 350 gigawatt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.